Good YouTube, welcome back to DJ Daily, where you find the hottest and the newest meme coins in the crypto space. We mostly deal with ERC-20, Ethereum meme coins. Before we get into the video, I just gotta let y'all know I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, especially when it comes to these DJ plays, guys. They're super risky. You know what I'm saying? Never invest more than you're willing to lose on these projects, because you just never know. You know what I'm saying? Especially since we're in a bear market. You just never know with these projects, man. But as you guys can see, I have DEX tools pulled up on screen for you to see. Top peers, the hottest peers right now: Daruma, Bone, Dequan, never heard of mine, WCI, ETH 2.0, Cut, Hex, Baby Suka, Okinami. This video, number one, we'll be checking out Daruma. Now this caught my attention because the community, love how the community is spreading the word. Anytime there's a strong community in the meme coin space, I'll definitely check the project out. As you can see, guys, from the chart, had a huge run up from the 18th. It was literally, look at this, literally flatlined on the 25th. I don't know if this is when it actually, you know, started showing up, but on the 25th, just flatline, nothing going on, and then all of a sudden, 18th of September, just went on a crazy run. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like it could go even further, guys. I feel like they got a lot more going for it. Over here we have liquidity. Liquidity is not bad. Total liquidity 258k. It's pooled with USDC, and I realize in the degen space, this is a very interesting way instead of pooling your project with wrapped ETH. Holders 1.5k holders, total market cap 4.71 market cap. So let's say it goes on a run like Suka. We got a lot more upside to this project. Let's check out the website real quick for you guys. As you guys can see, Daruma, if you use your mind to study reality, you won't understand either your mind or reality. If you study reality without using your mind, you'll understand both. So it's going off of that whole Japanese theme that Suka started with, and Daruma in Japanese means fortune and luck. Perfect perfect for the crypto space, because all of us degens do need some luck, guys, I'm telling y'all. Now let's check out the token sniffer real quick so you guys can see the safety of the project. 94 out of 100, guys, right here. 0% on the buys and sells, 0% tax on the buys and sells. I love that so much. You know what I'm saying? Because ETH fee is not as expensive right now, but when you get that tax on the project, you know what I'm saying, plus the ETH fees, it starts adding up if you're degening, going to this project or that project, you know what I'm saying? So it really adds up, man. And majority of the liquidity is locked, 89% is locked, and it also have additional liquidity right here. No dev wallet owning a huge amount of the supply. You know what I'm saying? The project is community based, community focused, guys. So it's really up to the community, guys, to take the project to that next level. There's also like a theory going on that Daruma is connected to Suka and Ryoshi, you know what I'm saying? So that's probably why it got so much attention after some time, you know what I'm saying? You love to see it in these projects. It's holding up, the chart is holding up very well. Yesterday Ethereum and Bitcoin dumped a lot, and the chart is holding up pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, guys, now let's see what people are saying about the project on Twitter. It's always good to check the social engagement of these projects, because like I said, at the end of the day, this is a community project, right? So it's up to you guys, the Daruma community, to push the project forward. Let everybody you know about it so it can reach its truest potential, you know what I'm saying? First tweet we got, altcoin cadet, Daruma chart looking very similar to Suka, getting ready for the third bounce. Not surprising considering they have the same marketing bots. Okay, so it does look very similar to Suka, man. People are saying it could do a run like Suka. Right here, someone else saying they're gonna hold Daruma. All-time high recently just hit its all-time high from Lip Rush. Wagmisaurus Rex looking like it's gonna have a little retrace, then it's gonna continue upward, guys. Like I said before, the chart does look strong, so it could be an interesting play. Remember, if you're gonna invest into these plays, guys, into these degen plays, never invest more than you're willing to lose. You know what I'm saying? Even if it's just $50 to $100, who knows? You could get a 10x, you could get a 100x. 10x from here is like 50 mil market cap. It could run to 500 mil market cap. Daruma does look very interesting. A lot of people on crypto Twitter showing it a lot of love, you know what I'm saying? Could have a lot of potential. Last thing we're going to check out is the Telegram. I've been in the Telegram for a little bit, just watching the vibe, you know what I'm saying? Seeing what's going on about the project. Already see the positive vibes. Already see people, you know, having that hype to the project. 100 mil market cap program. Welcome to the room. New people joining. How to buy guides. New buys coming in. 100 mil market cap program. You know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out to the Daruma community. Shout out to the Daruma army, man. I see you guys got some potential here. We'll see where the project goes. We'll see where the project goes, guys. But yeah, my fellow DJs, that brings me to the end of the video. Let me know if you're invested in Daruma in the comment section. What do you think about it? Do you love it? You know what I'm saying? You feel like it's gonna go to 100 mil, a billion market cap? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know what other projects you want me to check out on the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Also, let me know what you think of the content, how I could make it better. And be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out, and it's free to do so, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.